Top 3 Top Tips for a Programmer. Programming is not an easy profession. To get started in programming, you should listen to the advice. We will give them to you. There is no universal solution. What does all of this mean? As in life, there is no good or bad, there are consequences. But enough philosophizing. In programming you can know several options for solving one problem and find the most suitable one in this particular case. This will make you a more popular programmer. Learn to formulate options in advance, their pros and cons. Write understandable code. Fully document the code for yourself and the team, or just write understandable code. And what can be called understandable code? It's simple. You opened code in front of a novice programmer, and he understood everything. At least he understood what code must make. But how to do that? The name is the most important thing in the code. The names of classes, packages, modules, methods, variables, everything in the code must be named correctly. The worst thing that can be in the code is the wrong name. When a variable, method, or class does something other than what its name suggests, you not only do not give correct information, but also mislead programmers. Don't do too much, don't do extra work. What does such a simple sentence mean? While you are working on a specific bug, you can work on improving other places in the code in parallel, but you must understand that your main goal is some kind of broken code that needs to be fixed here and now. You can be distracted from the main task and then completely distracted by some social network, or even decide to finish the work early today, even though you didn't do the main work.
Subscribe to our channel and watch as we take over the world.